Have you ever felt anxious for no reason, overwhelmed by daily stress, unable to switch off your thoughts at night? Or maybe you have experienced fear, self doubt, emotional exhaustion, or grief that just doesn't seem to go away. What if I told you that there is a gentle, natural system that focuses not on the disease but on your emotional state? A system that has been helping people manage emotional well being for nearly a century. Today, we are talking about flower remedies, what they are, how they work, and why millions of people around the world continue to use them. Stay with me till the end because I'll explain which flower remedies are commonly used for anxiety, stress, fear, and emotional balance. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Swati Deshmukh, homeopathic consultant. Welcome to the channel. Today we are exploring a fascinating and often misunderstood topic. What are flower remedies and how can they support emotional well-being? Let's get started. What are flower remedies? Flower remedies, often known as Bach flower remedies, were developed by Dr. Edward Bach in 1930s. Dr. Bach believed that emotional well-being plays an important role in overall health. His idea was simple. When our emotions are out of balance, whether it's fear, worry, uncertainty, anger, anxiety, sadness, it can affect our quality of life and ability to cope up challenges. Flower remedies were created to support emotional harmony and resilience. Are flower remedies the same as homeopathy? This is one of the most common questions received. The answer is no, they are different systems. Both are gentle and holistic approaches, but flower remedies focus primarily on emotional and mental states. They are selected based on how a person feels emotionally rather than on physical symptoms alone. When do people commonly use flower remedies? Many people use flower remedies during emotionally challenging situations such as stress, anxiety and nervousness, fear and insecurity, lack of confidence, grief and emotional shock, irritability and frustration, difficulty coping up with change. Remember, flower remedies are not meant to replace emergency care or necessary medical treatment. They are used as a supportive approach for emotional well being. Let's look at some popular flower remedies. Rescue remedy, perhaps the most well known flower remedy. It is commonly used during moments of emotional stress, panic, shock, nervousness, and or overwhelming situations. Many people keep it handy during exams, interviews, travel, or stressful life events. Mimulus. Mimulus is often associated with known fears. For example, fear of public speaking, fear of flying, fear of illness, fear of specific situations. When the fear has clear reason, Mimulus is often discussed. Aspen. Unlike Mimulus, Aspen is associated with vague or unexplained fears. That feeling of anxiety where you can't quite identify what's wrong. A sense of uneasiness without a specific cause. Large. Large is commonly discussed when there is a lack of confidence. People who constantly doubt themselves may benefit from emotional support aimed at building confidence and self belief. White chestnut. White chestnut is often associated with calming mental chatter and repetitive thinking patterns. Walnut. Life changes can be challenging. A new job, a new city, marriage, retirement, motherhood. Walnut is commonly associated with helping people adapt during periods of transition and change. How are flower remedies taken? Flower remedies are generally available in liquid form. The selection of remedy depends on the individual's emotional state and current challenges because every person experiences emotions differently. The choice of remedy may vary from one individual to another. An important point, flower remedies are not about suppressing emotions. The goal is not to make you stop feeling. The goal is to support emotional balance so that you can respond to life's challenges more calmly and effectively. So, what should you remember from today's video? Flower remedies focus on emotional well being. They are different from homeopathy. Different remedies are associated with different emotional states. They are commonly used for stress, fear, anxiety, self doubt, emotional overwhelm, and life transitions. The selection of a remedy depends upon the person's emotional experience. If you have ever felt emotionally overwhelmed, stressed, anxious, or mentally exhausted, understanding flower remedies may open the door to different perspective on emotional well-being. I hope you found this video helpful. I am Dr. Swati Deshmukh. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.